We will learn how reverse and replicate functions work in the T-SQL programming language. The reverse function is the function used to reverse a string expression. A column with a string expression or string data type can be sent to the function. It is often used to improve query performance. The replicate function is used to print a string expression multiple times. Two parameters are sent to the function. The first parameter specifies the string expression, the second parameter specifies the number of repetitions. The first parameter can also be a column with a string data type. Let's better understand how replicate and reverse functions work by making an example in SQL Server. The reverse function prints the sent string in reverse. The string expression passed to the function can have more than one word. Let's do another example of the reverse function. I am creating a table with columns ID, first and last name. I am adding a few records to the table. I can see the data in the table with the select command. I am explicitly rewriting all the columns. I am using the reverse function to reverse the data in the first name column. I just need to send the first name column to the reverse function. All data in the first name column has been rewritten in reverse. Let's do the same with the last name. It is written in reverse in two columns. Let's take a look at the replicate function. Two parameters are sent to the replicate function. The first parameter represents the string expression. The second parameter specifies how many times the string expression will be repeated. Turtle will print 5 times. String expression can consist of more than one word. It printed turtle code 5 times. Let's take an example of the replicate function. I am creating a table with columns ID, product and item code. I am adding a few records to the table. I can see the data in the table with the select command. I am explicitly rewriting all the columns. I added the ID, product and item code column. I will use the concat function that we learned in previous lessons. Thanks to the concat function, we can combine multiple expressions. I am using the replicate function within the concat function. I will print the 0 string expression 4 times. You can think of these values as product codes. You can print the 0 value as many times as you want. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.